This is Tatum Ranch, where the desert sky burns gold at night.
Welcome to Tatum Ranch, where Cave Creek living comes with golf, pools, tennis courts, and miles of trails right outside your front door.
This is 4220 East Desert Marigold Drive.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and it's ready for its next chapter.
Step through the front door into a formal living room and dining room.
That makes a real first impression.
This cook's kitchen is really going to move you.
An induction stovetop and a center island that pulls everyone together. The primary suite is your private retreat with an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet that finally fits everything.
Out back is the real showstopper.
A sparkling pool, low-maintenance landscape, and a backyard built for sunset swims and weekend hang. And the kicker, a 2.625% VA assumable loan for qualified buyers.
There's a trails.
Weekend brunch and patio tail.